Narito na nga ang post sa Instagram ni Direk May Cruz Albiar. Sabi pa nga niya sa caption, BTS of the underwater scene in Can't Buy Me Love. Thank you again, Reclamor and your team for guiding and assisting Donnie and Bel Mariano, and of course for your amazing coverage of this scene. It appeared a few seconds on screen but took hours to shoot. Thank you to the whole team and especially Donnie and Belle for the hard work. Hashtag can't buy me love. Hashtag underwater photography. Hashtag underwater filming. At ito nga guys mismo ang mga litrato at videos. Sabay-sabay nating tingnan.
Water is meant for sea creatures, for humans like me. You enjoy your thing. I'm meant for the land.
Pero reaction mo nung nakakita ng turtle?
Wala akong gamit.
Kitang-kita nga din dyan kung paano kopyahin ni Donnie ang reaksyon ni Bel Mariano na makita ang turtle. Narito pa ang mga videos. Kaya naman pala sobrang tawa nga nila at ngiti matapos ang scene na ito. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates.